Hello, my name is Aubriana Dixon, and I'll be talking about factors that determine skin color. There are many reasons that affect our skin color, but the main reasons are melanogenesis, hemoglobin, keratin, and sun exposure. So, melanin. Melanin is the pigment found in the skin cells, and there are two types of melanin. Eumelanin produces dark brown pigmentation and is the primary melanin type for those with darker skin. And phosphomelanin is red yellow colored pigment and is primary to those who are fair skinned and they are prone to sunburn. Melanogenesis. The process through which cells called melanocytes produce melanin. The process of melanin production is influenced by our hormones, the immune system, the inflammatory factors, and brain signal. And the melanocytes interact with keratinocytes, which are responsible for storing melanin in cells called melanosomes. Keratinocytes are responsible for storing melanin in cells called melanosomes. And each melanocyte interacts with 30 to 40 keratinocytes to transfer melanin for storage in the skin's layers until it is needed for photoprotection, which are like the sun rays and stuff like that. Hemoglobin is the red pigment running along the blood vessels, and that makes the skin redder in places where blood vessels are closer to the skin, which is why our lips are usually pink or reddish in color. Keratin is an orange or yellow pigment found in skin, and an excess amount of keratin can result in accumulation of skin concentrated in tissues containing fat. And like an example of that would be like our skin turning yellow if people, have jaundice from like liver functions. And sun exposure. Exposure to the ultraviolet radiation from the sun causes changes to the skin color. So, for those of us who have more melanin, we are able to go out into the sun, and the sun may make our skin darker in color, or I guess you consider it like a tan. And those with fairer skin being in the sun can cause them to have sunburn. So yeah. And then also too much sun can result in like skin cancer, or like getting a mole on your skin, or wrinkles, or even having drier skin. And also another way, it's not really exposure from the sun, but it's exposure from ultraviolet rays. And that's when people are, in tanning beds, and that can be a bit dangerous and also be a cause to skin cancer. So, yes, this is the end of my presentation. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you.